welcome. This is December Doodles with Catherine. So on day 3, that was yesterday, we were drawing different snow people. But I thought it would be cool to have some fun giving our snow friends different faces, so that they all have their own characters. So let's draw some more snow people. You can either start a new page or add them to the same page as your other snow friends if you like. Let's try out some different noses. You choose which ones you like the look of. A simple black dot for a piece of coal? How about a nice big juicy orange for a nose? We'll put a little cross for the top of the orange to make it a bit more realistic. Maybe a small green grape? Or a red grape, whichever you prefer. A middle-sized purple plum perhaps? Or a tiny, perfectly round cherry? Leave a little white dot to make it look nice and shiny. Practice. Draw a few different faces with each nose. What shape mouth will you use? Experiment with different expressions. How does the face change when you change the eyes? Ta-da! It's not looking like a very happy party, is it? Let's change some of the faces a bit. Ta-da! Your snow friends are cheering up. Get you in your drawing. Keep your pictures safe so you can come back to them later in December Doodles. See you tomorrow.